In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place and modify trades in TradingView with Topstep. By the end, you'll know how to go from planning a trade on your chart to sending a live limit order and how to make quick adjustments with confidence. Start by heading to tradingview.com and opening the chart of the market you want to trade. Make sure you're logged in and that your trading panel is connected to your Topstep enabled account so orders can be routed properly. With your chart open, look to the left-hand toolbar and click the Forecasting and Measurement Tools icon. This panel holds tools designed for planning trades visually before you place them. From that menu, select the Position tool. For a long setup, choose the Long Position option. This is the visual risk-reward tool that lets you map out your entry, stop, and target right on the chart. Now draw it on your chart. Click once at your intended entry price to drop the tool, then drag the top handle to your take profit level and the bottom handle to your stop loss. You'll see a shaded area that represents potential profit and risk. Take a moment to align those levels with your trading plan. This step is helpful because the overlay gives you instant feedback on risk to reward ratio and the distance in ticks or points. Next, hover your mouse over the long position drawing you just placed. When you're on top of it, you'll see the tool become active with its controls visible. With it highlighted, right-click to open its context menu. This is where TradingView links your visual plan to an actual order. Choose Create Order Limit. This converts your drawing into a limit order ticket using the entry level you set on the chart. A limit order aims to fill you at your chosen price or better, which is useful when you want precision rather than chasing a market move. In the order ticket, review and modify your trade details as needed, then click Buy to send it. Confirm the symbol, the account selection linked to Topstep, the order type as limit, and the quantity that fits your risk rules. If your stop loss and take profit are included as brackets, verify those prices match the lines you drew. When everything looks right, hit buy to transmit the order. A quick tip, you can usually drag the entry, stop, or target lines on the chart after submission to fine-tune levels, and TradingView will update the working order accordingly. Always double-check size and risk to stay within your rules, and consider practicing this workflow in a simulated environment before going live.